here on cause number 26 CR 1294, State of Texas versus James Dolphs Elmore. Mr. Elmore is present in the court with his attorney. We're here to do an arraignment. In this case, Mr. Elmore, you're charged with the second-degree felony of manslaughter. It's a second-degree felony that carries anywhere from 2 years in prison up to 20 years in prison. Will you please arraign the defendant at this time?
In the name and by authority of the State of Texas, the grand jurors for the County of Galveston, State aforesaid, duly organized as such at the January term AD 2026, upon their oaths in said court, present that James Dolphs Elmore, on or about the 10th day of September 1984, and anterior to the presentment of this indictment in the County of Galveston and State of Texas, did recklessly cause the death of an individual, namely Laura Miller, by preparing a vial of cocaine for Clyde Hedrick to administer to Laura Miller against the peace and dignity of the state, signed the foreperson of the grand jury.
Mr. Elmore, how do you plead the indictment?
Not guilty.
Okay, Mr. Elmore, the court has received your plea of not guilty and hereby sets your case for trial on August 31st. That's about 10 days away. We'll start your trial with jury selection at 1 p.m. and it'll be set for then, and you're the preferentially set case, so you're the number one case on our docket. And we'll start the trial on Monday, August 31st, okay? Okay. All right. It appears the defendants filed a motion in limine, one of your pretrial motions.
Yes, Judge.
Does they have any opposition to it?
No, we agree to that motion.
Okay, I will sign an order granting your attorney's motion in limine. That covers items that before the state can offer evidence about those items, they have to approach the bench first to determine admissibility, okay? All right, anything else we need to take up today?
The only other thing, Judge, was I was going to see if I can negotiate maybe for an extra 30 minutes during voir dire. Just not sure an hour is enough with the number of people and the logistics of trying to make sure we can hear everybody, even in the back of the room.
We're not putting on witnesses the first day.
Correct.
Correct, okay. You're okay with it up to an hour and a half each?
That's fine, Judge.
That should work. We should be able to do that by 5 o'clock, probably.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Judge.
so each side can be up to an hour and a half. If you have a PowerPoint slideshow for jury selection, you don't expect to, okay?
No.
Just make sure he gets to see it before we get there in the jury room, okay?
Sure.
All right, we're gonna do that in the jury assembly room.
Okay.
At 1 o'clock.
Okay.
It'll be a special panel, and we don't know how many we'll have, but we expect to have 250.
Okay.
You need anything else for today, Mr. Agnew?
No?
Okay, all right, we'll see you all at 8:30 on Wednesday. If you have any other pretrial motions or something you heard, just let the court know. We can make sure we do those the morning before we go to the jury assembly.
Okay.
Mr. Elmore, you're entitled to not be in that pink jumpsuit during trial, so make sure that you get with your attorney and that you have clothes of your selection. You can wear street clothes during the entire trial, okay?
Okay.
Judge, his sister's supposed to be getting clothes. I've already texted her. I'll talk to her today.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, correct.